Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log out from Zara app. Whether you are switching devices or just need to secure your account, this process is super simple. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Zara app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now on your main screen or home page, you can see profile icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account, and there you can see profile option. Tap on it. This will open your profile, and on profile just below change password option you can see logout option. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up may appear. Confirm your choice to log out from Zara app. Once log out, you will be directed to login screen. This ensures account is secure and no longer active on the device. And that's how you log out from Zara app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.